Hey guys, and welcome back to WP Food Manager. In today's video, we're going to find out together how you can use a table reservation shortcode on a page. So guys, if you are interested, let's without losing time start our tutorial. So guys, firstly we need to go to the backend of our website, and I'm already on there as you can see. Then after it, we need to go to table reservations. Here we have all table layout section. Let's click on it. Here you can see that it shows our layout, and I'm going to copy to one of these shortcodes. So let's go, for example, this one. Let's copy it. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to create a new page. Let's add new page. First, guys, we need to give a proper name to our page. Let's go, for example, with dinner. Okay. Then here we need to pass the shortcode, and let's click on publish. Okay, let's view the page to see what we have here. Okay, and you can see here that it opens the form which you need to fill to reserve a table. So this is how you can do it. So guys, this was it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions concerning to the video, please let us know about them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. See you soon!